Hey, we want to present you the Worlds of Trains project, and today we will talk about its basic concepts and lore. The Worlds of Train universe consists of a huge set of discoverable worlds, each of which is made in its own unique art style. Here you will find steampunk, dieselpunk, cyberpunk, biopunk, and other sci-fi genres. The combination of such disparate creative styles was made possible by the law, according to which the various worlds of our universe first developed separately and then, after the discovery of the gates, began to actively interact. Gates are ancient devices that allow you to travel great distances through the time and space in a matter of seconds. This means that you, as a member of the Metaverse, will be able to choose the world from which you will begin your exploration of the vast expanses of the digital cosmos. Each player will have their own customizable 3D avatar, which will be used to interact with the environment from either a third or first-person view. To travel through the gates, each player will have to use an engine, a monstrous locomotive powered by an integrated nuclear plant. Each engine will have not only an exterior, but also an interior with several rooms. Control room or captain's bridge allows you to control all train systems, including movement, direction, and speed. Reactor room, similar to the engine room, but specifically dedicated to reactors. Crew room, place where crew can rest during long journeys. Storage room contains weapons, tools, and materials, which could be used by the players in different, unexpected circumstances. In the case of damage or malfunction of the engine or reactors, the player will be able to fix them directly using his avatar and the repair tools taken from the storage room. Drones can also be used for internal and external repairs, but if your repair drone gets destroyed, then get ready to get your avatar's hands dirty. According to our lore, each locomotive and wagon consists of a set of upgradable, interchangeable parts and devices, which can be obtained from specialized design and production bureaus, discovered by completing specific missions, crafted from resources and blueprints, purchased from the other players in specialized marketplaces, or obtained in the form of an NFT. Customization. Each locomotive, wagon, module, or device can be customized by the player, visually and technically. You will be able to choose from the set of visual styles, skins, colors, markups, and internal technical components. Goal. So, the main goal of our development team is to implement and launch a really unique video game, about which, in more details, we will be happy to tell you in one of our next videos. Friends, our project needs your support. Please help us by sharing this video among your friends. Please subscribe to our channel so we will know that our project is really interesting for you. Also, write your questions in the comments below, because we will be happy to answer or even prepare a new video with a topic that will be interesting for you and your friends. Also, to support our project, you could buy one of the NFTs which are already available on the OpenSea. All useful links I will leave in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.